Nope.
Yo, what's up? I'm back. But I will not teach you anything. In this video, we are going to teach you the advanced level of building your abs.
He ain't gonna be your teacher. I am going to be. I am a strict teacher, so don't mess with me. The 5 advanced exercises for this episode are sit-ups, side crunches, dumbbell Russian twist, planks, and side planks. This is how you do sit-ups. Now weight on your legs and do as I'm doing. This is how you do side crunches.
You don't have to go all the way up. You can do half, like 45 degrees. That's it.
This is how you do dumbbell Russian twist. Just watch me. Kinda boring, but it helps. That's it. That's it. This is how you do planks. Keep the body straight and hold it there for about a minute. I don't think newbies can do it for a minute, but that's it. This is how you do side planks. I'm doing it already. Keep your body up and straight, just like the plank. Just on one hand, and that's it.
Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Don't forget that notification bell and share this video to your friends. And remember, the most important thing is to practice.